everyone, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. In case you're new here, let me just tell you a little bit about what I do. I show diamond paintings, a lot of diamond paintings like these. I also work on them and show you progress, and I show you completions when I have some finished. I also dabble in crochet and yarn. One of my other hobbies, I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons. Books is another one of my passions, and I do a book discussion live on Tuesday nights with my friend Brandy from Mystery Diamonds. If any of that sounds of interest to you, I hope you come back. I hope you peck around on my channel, find some videos that are of interest to you, and stick around for a while. Everybody who's returning, welcome back, and thank you so much. So this is from Fansells, and Fansells is the company that I have gotten the broken cow from. If you guys remember the cow, I have it put away because I'm taking it away this weekend, but otherwise I'd show you again. But the little hanging cow, it has the little tail that keeps getting broken off. So I'm working with Fansells, and I'm telling them I've gotten 1, 2, and now 3 of the cows. And every time the tail is broken. And I know it's because that tail is so little and fragile. And so I just keep sending them pictures and giving them suggestions. So they're working. He's going to work with his manufacturer, his supplier. And he says, I think it might be the design. And I'm like, I agree 100%. When you have a little tiny piece that's just sticking out like this, and it's hooked with like 1/4 of an inch of plastic, really, it's going to break easily. So I've suggested things like tape the piece down, tape that tail down. They're putting a piece of foam in there, tape it down, wrap it in bubble wrap really good. So he's going to work with the manufacturer. They realize there's a problem. It might just be that design, but anyhow, it does need some different packaging, and they are working on it. I just wanted you to know that. They're a good company to work with, and I appreciate that from them. Okay, so this is my next order from Fansells. Let's get into it. There's some fun stuff, and there is a theme here. There's a theme. I don't normally do themes, but I did this time. First of all, let's go off theme. This one, not in the theme. Okay, this one's totally not part of the theme, but I couldn't resist this one. Look at that owl. Look at the giant, huge, big drills this thing has. It's going to be beautiful. I'm going to assume these are pearls. That's what they look like in the picture. I always look at the rendering, and if I can see a rendering of it, I check that out. And I'm always looking for, look at all of the larger drills, all of these special drills, all around the eyes, all around here. I mean, there's a ton. This will be so much fun. 11 different colors, 11 different drills, not colors, drills. And there are pearls, because there are definitely pearls. Let's get into this. Let's show you what we have. All right, here we go. Start with our rhinestones. So we have one beautiful blue, and then another blue, and a lighter like a sky blue. So 3 blues, of course, and a clear, and then gold, because all of this outlining is going to be gold. All right, look at the pearls. Big, huge ones. There's 6 of those things. Look at those. Big. Love it. Then we have some blue pearly, like those, and small white pearls. Then we have gold balls, okay? And we have gold marquise, and we have clear marquise. That is going to be just beautiful. It's exactly what I expected when I saw the picture. It's gold and blue, and it's going to be a very pretty. I love him. Okay, now let's get into our themed items, okay? We got some themes going on. I got this, okay? And I was like, what did I order? Because, you know, sometimes I forget what I order. And I forgot what this one was. I'm pretty sure it's in the theme, though. And I'm thinking about it. I'm like, I think I know what it is. I think I know. Come on. All right. How do we get all this? It's all taped up. Hang on. We need our little X-Acto knife here. Get this tape undone. Okay. Tape, and tape. Okay. I think we got it. There we go. Now, it's on a foam roller. You can see that. There's our foam roller there. Whoa, foam roller. Okay. This, I believe, is a sticker. like a large sticker. And it is rolled tight. Oh, man. Okay. It's really pretty. All right. It is a sticker. This is, okay, hang on. I'm going to roll it the other way. See if I can get it to flatten out a little bit better. Let's roll it the other way. Okay. Roll, roll. It's tight. It's some work. Okay. So here's what I got. It is a lighthouse. Okay. It's this very colorful stained glass type of lighthouse. Okay. So pull back here. And this is, yep, this is sticky. And look, there we go. It's a sticker. Yep. It's a big sticker. I love it. It's so pretty. Now, what would you do with a big sticker like that? I don't know. Where would you put that? I'd find some place to put it for sure, right? You could put it on paper. You could put it in a scrapbook. You could do a million things with this. It's so pretty. You could stick it on your window, like use it for a window cling until it, became unsticky. But isn't it pretty? So pretty. It's probably all rhinestones. I don't think there's any special drills in there. No, I don't think so. I think it's all rhinestones. Now, there's no legend with this, as you can see. But I got this fat bag of drills here. And I'm going to assume, as soon as I get it open, sometimes finding the seam on these things is the hardest part of my job. That these just go by number. So I see all the way up to 20, 24. Yeah. So they're just going to be numbered. And I mean, it's just going to be all these pretty colors, right? Do I need to unwrap all of them? I don't know. Look at here. Oranges, blues. I mean, you can see all the colors, right? You can definitely see all the colors. Yeah, I think that's pretty cool. All the orange and red and yellow in the sky. It's pretty. I like it. So it was something different, something unique. You know me, I like to find the different, cool, unique items, and this was one of them. This fit the bill. Okay, we'll deal with that in a minute. All right, so item number 1. Oh, look, and I got 2 toolkits. Oh, 2 toolkits. All right, let's slide this over here. All right. So, as I said, this is a themed kind of order. See, they're trying to protect things. There's a little bit of foam in there, and it's trying to make things so they don't slosh around. And I appreciate that. It's just when you have that fine little piece sticking off the edge, it's going to be difficult to protect it no matter what you do. Unless, like I said, they could have taped the tail onto the foam, put a piece of tape there, hold that on there, right? Anyhow, I'm giving them suggestions, folks. So this one hangs. Here's our chain. Here's our drills. And as you can probably imagine, it is a lighthouse. But look how pretty it is. The lighthouse is not the focal point of this. All those pretty waves. And then we got some flowers down here. We got a bird or two. Very pretty, right? Very, very pretty. I think that's going to be just stunning. All the colors in that. All the colors of the rainbow. I'm telling you, I got the rainbow going on. I love it. Super pretty. Again, no legend for these. You just go with what's on your bag. The bags tell you. Like this is number 1. We got a pink. And number 2 is a pink. And number 3 is a clear. 4, green. 5 is this pretty blue. A yellow. Then we have some white pearls. We have some pink faceted rounds. And we have some smaller golds and greens. Love it. Love, 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 love it. I am going away this weekend. As I'm recording this, I might throw this in my bag of goodies and take it with me. It would not take too long to do. You could use your multi-placer and multi-place a lot of these lines through here. I might take this with me. I might. All right. Last but not least, it's a biggie. It's a biggie. It's a big one. Are you ready? It is a 50 by 60 special drill. Look at it. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. All of that is rhinestones. No doubt. All rhinestones. All rhinestones. But look at the bottom. The bottom is where we get all of the fun action, all the special drills. That's a big painting, isn't it? But it's beautiful. It's beautiful. All those oranges, reds, yellows, purples up in the sky because it's a sunset. We got our lighthouse over here. The two little boats get no drills. Part of the lighthouse doesn't get any drills. And we have all of this flower forefront here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. It has, I don't know how many colors it has because they stopped numbering. They went through 8 and then they stopped numbering. So we got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 23. And look, we have a legend on both sides here. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love it. All right, let's roll through some. Oh, goodness gracious me. Oh my. Oh. So pretty. This one would take you a minute. A minute at least. I'm doing smashing the specials. I'm trying to smash as many as I can. I don't know if I got time to put into a large project right now, but all right, rhinestone away. Here we go. Gold, blue, green, another gold. These are in order. How nice. Purple. And you notice they're in little bags. Love it. That color is really pretty. It's a coral. Really pretty. Yeah, they're in order. Sweet, right? Okay, what else we got? Now we got into some special drills. Hold the phone. A clear. Oh, look, I love that teal. That teal is so pretty. Blue, pink, green, purples, blues. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Okay, special drill time. There's quite a few of them. There are quite a few. Okay, what do we have? We have round faceted. Okay, boom. Put some round facets on. Purple teardrops. Purple teardrops. Here, let's make some flowers. Oh, wow. These are the slivers that are teardrop shaped versus marquee shaped. We have both slivers, little tiny ones like this. These are the teardrop variety. I know where those go. Those are going to be right up here. I'm making these little flowers right here and right there. Hey, you know what? We can handle that. A few flowers there and a few flowers there. Gold. Oh, look at those. Those are going to be, well, I don't know. We got two colors. We got gold and we got red. So some of these flowers are going to be gold. Some of them are going to be red. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. It's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous, right? Absolutely gorgeous. So what do you think? I will have all of these linked below for you so you can find them quick and easy. And they're coming out with more and more and more of these large special drill paintings. I love them. Like I said, I'm trying to smash a whole bunch. This would be one I think I would work on as I'm working on something else, you know, and just peck away at it a little bit at a time because it's going to take you a while. So anyhow, it's gorgeous. Thanks for watching, everybody. And please visit Fansells. They are really a good company to work with, and they get great product. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. And I hope to see you soon. Hit that like button, subscribe, and all those good YouTube things. And I appreciate you so much. I'll be talking to you soon. Bye, everybody. I have a Fansells update. Look, I have a cow with a tail. I got this the other day, and the packaging was just, I've never seen anything packaged the way this thing was packaged, but they decided I was going to get a cow without a broken tail. I'm telling you, Fansells is a good company to work with. He has worked with me and worked with me. This is cow number 4, and this one was perfect. If you watch my crafty vlog later on, you'll see some of the packaging. It was in 3 bags and in a box. And inside the box was a bag with the box. It was, the packaging was crazy, out of this world. But anyhow, there he is. So you got to hand it to a company that works that hard to make sure somebody gets a good product. So there you have it. Isn't he adorable? I just love him to death. I'm so happy I have a cow with a perfect little tail. All right. So look what I have for you. I have a finish from this order. I have this pretty little hanging, and it's one of the lighthouse. So pretty. This turned out so good. I loved all these big special drills on here. I loved the pastel feel, the pastel colors of it, and just this swirling wave and stuff. Super pretty. I love how it turned out. These were really pretty. This was fun to do. I finished it up at the little mini retreat that I went to with my friends, and it didn't take too long. It was pretty quick and easy to do, but it turns out absolutely beautiful. So I'm really happy with that one. I have my hanging chain on there ready to go. I did take the film off the back, so it's ready to go. I love it. Isn't it pretty? So, I don't often get finishes after all of my unboxings, but since it is Smash in the Specials time, there might be a few of them. I think I've worked on a few of the items that I've recently unboxed. So there it is, folks. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, everybody.